Well, this morning we set up where we had been seeing the birds before. They almost ran Phil over yesterday, and a bunch of jakes were out there, and as soon as they flew down from the roost, they started chasing each other around. Aggressive purrs and all that stuff. It was pretty cool. And then later on, they came right up by us, and since we knew there weren't any longbeards with them, we decided that we were just going to mess around with them a little bit, see what happened. We were kind of hoping they'd attack a decoy, but they came in and eyed the decoy pretty closely, but they didn't end up attacking it. And then we called to them with our Catskill mountain call a little bit. Ooh. Got some pretty cool gobbles on tape, which was nice, and then eventually we just let them ease off.
Those birds down there. Those birds down there are between the two decoys.
Well, day 2 was another whiff. 2 days in a row with jakes at 10 steps, but we moved in on where that tom was gobbling yesterday after we didn't see him on the roost last night, and we were in the right spot. We were in the right area. We were not in the right spot. The tom and hens were roosted maybe 100 yards away from us, and they flew down, and those hens took them the other way, even though they gobbled at us for a while. But that's how it goes. This is what Phil looks like when he's pouting.
Hot and tired.
Alright, video log time. So we got some time to burn. We've hunted this property 3 days in a row. First day we came in, set up on the field edge, and it was all jakes in a normal roost spot. Got them close, no toms, passed. Day 2, we came back where we thought they were because Phil roosted them and we didn't see any birds go up, and we were surrounded. Again, got the jakes to like 10 yards, and the tom was off a little bit further and didn't want to come our way. Had him gobbling but couldn't get him to come because he had hens with them. So day 3 we saw them roost, but we were afraid that the tom was still back here, so we set up back here thinking that worst case scenarios we'll just have to wait a while for them to get to us. And that's what we're doing right now. literally...
That's 3 yards.
3 yards. Holy crap. Jakes or not, that was pretty freaking cool. If that was a tom, could you imagine that? If that was a tom, you'd miss him from that distance.
Well, it'd be damn close. Well, it's funny because they all infight, and then once they figure out they're all the same, then they go after the same 2 losers. And you could tell the losers, they both have really dark red heads. And the one was smart enough to stay way out of the way.
I saw that. I was like, man, that's a different bird. And it was just really wouldn't be Jake. I thought they were going to mount that hen for a second. Hunting with my buddy Joe today. We're headed in because we struck out. Did not hear or see anything. Well, today, I don't know if it's due to sleep deprivation or what, but I forgot to do the video log for today's hunt, so you get to get it after the fact. Last year there was a pattern where those birds would come in and they would show up around 7:30 or so, and so we figured we'd take them there and see what happens. And sure enough, right around 7:30, birds started screaming. Hear it over there to the right. And we just happened to be set up in the wrong spot, and he went out into the field, and I called to him. I threw every single trick in the book at him, and I could not get him to budge from those hens. So he ended up working his way into the woods. 5 minutes later, I hear a gunshot within a very close distance of us. So we were very shocked because we're supposed to be the only ones that have permission there. So we pack our stuff up, set it by a tree, and walk over in the direction that we heard the shot. And there's a guy standing by the tree. Luckily, he missed it, but very disappointing as far as having another person there. I don't think he had asked permission, but he's just an old timer that he knows people, and I think he just kind of goes wherever he wants to go. So whatever. I mean, we'll let it be. I mean, we just BS with the guy. We were nice, but it's frustrating sometimes. He heard us calling, and he set up within 150, 200 yards of us, and the tom literally walked right by him. So not sure how I missed it, but that's how turkey hunting can be dangerous. So make sure you guys are being safe out there. Well, it's the first weekend of the season, and it's raining. So, of course, as soon as I say that, it starts letting up. But we're just sitting in the blind,
Exhausted.
hoping that a turkey shows up. Did your mother ever tell you not to talk with your mouth full?
If you use him that way, when I drop this, it's only this far.
Sorry, I'm busy right now. He's like,
I know, he's
right on these hens.
Yeah.
They don't like him. They're hiding from him.
Behind his tail. Just keep the, yeah. just miss? Frick, dude.
You just gobble over there?
I think I missed. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm so stupid.
Phil's out looking for feathers, but I'm looking at the bright side. He can't make fun of me for missing a turkey anymore. But it does suck.